What's up, creators? Cool here, your AI mentor from authorityvideos.com, the place where creativity meets cash flow. If you've been on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok lately, you've probably seen those viral, adorable animal videos lighting up your feed. They're captivating, fun, and impossible to scroll past. But here's the deal. While most of these videos rely on simple animations or visuals, we're taking things further. Imagine adding voiceovers, cinematic motion, and captions to create an immersive storytelling experience that grabs attention and keeps it. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to create irresistible animal videos that not only captivate audiences but also drive revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Let's go! Here's the thing, adorable animal videos aren't just a trend, they're a powerhouse for engagement across social platforms. For example, a TikTok creator in this niche skyrocketed to over 250,000 followers with fewer than 100 videos. But here's where we step in to level up the game. While most creators stick to simple animations, we're transforming these videos into immersive storytelling experiences. With AI-powered animations, engaging voiceovers, and captions that draw viewers in, you'll create vibrant, shareable content that doesn't just go viral, it makes an impact. Ready to stand out and ride this wave to success? Let's break it down step by step. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through creating an irresistible animal video that stands out, grows your audience, and opens up revenue streams. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Generating unique eye-catching ideas with ChatGPT. 2. Crafting adorable, high-quality visuals with Leonardo AI. 3. Bringing those visuals to life with animations using Kling AI. 4. Creating engaging narration with ElevenLabs. 5. Polishing your video to perfection with Veed. And don't forget the free cheat sheet in the description. It's your step-by-step guide to creating your masterpiece. Let's do this. Example. Prompt. Generate 3 unique hyper-detailed image prompts of cute, playful animals in lively, vibrant settings, designed for a 15-second video split into 3 5-second scenes. For each scene, provide image prompt, a detailed description for generating the scene with an AI like Leonardo, including animal type with playful and curious expressions. And here's what ChatGPT came up with. Pro tip. The more vivid and unique your details, the better your results. Let your imagination run wild. It's time to make something magical. Now let's bring these ideas to life visually. Head over to Leonardo AI and grab your free tokens. Here's the setup. Model. Leonardo Phoenix for stunning, detailed visuals. Style. Dynamic with medium-high contrast for vibrant colors. Aspect. Ratio. 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Paste your ChatGPT generated prompt, hit generate, and watch your scenes come to life in seconds. Imagine that baby panda sniffing a flower, or the otter playfully balancing pebbles. It's all about creating visuals that make people stop scrolling. Save these images for the next step. Here's the twist that makes your adorable animal content unbeatable. Animation. Use Kling AI to add life and motion to your visuals. Picture that baby owl tilting its head as fireflies dance around, or the otter wiggling its tail while balancing pebbles. Animation transforms your static images into captivating, cinematic moments. Let's make your content unforgettable. Every great story needs a voice. Head over to ElevenLabs and create an engaging narration to match your visuals. Copy your narration script from ChatGPT, select a warm and friendly voice, and fine-tune it for that professional touch. Narration brings your characters to life and pulls viewers deeper into your story. This is the secret sauce to making your videos pop. Finally, let's polish your masterpiece with Veed. Import your animated clips, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and add transitions like dissolve for a smooth flow. Label each scene with text overlays like Scene 1, Curious Panda in a Meadow, and add uplifting background music for extra charm. Once you're done, export your video and get ready to share it with the world. Here's why this tutorial is a game changer. Adorable animal videos are highly shareable and perfect for monetization through ads, brand sponsorships, and affiliate links. By adding motion and narration, you'll create content that's not just cute, but irresistibly engaging. This is how you stand out and turn creativity into cash flow. And that's a wrap. You've just created a viral-worthy animal video that's ready to wow audiences and earn you income. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new tip. Download the free cheat sheet below and let me know in the comments what adorable scenes you'll create next. I can't wait to see them. Until next time, keep creating, keep earning, and remember, it's always cool to stand out